everyone. So today I'll be trying out this new card kit that Diamond Press has brought to HSN ahead of the May craft day. This item is already available there on HSN, along with pretty much everything else that Diamond Press has brought other than the Today Special, so keep an eye out for that for sure. I'll have videos also, and then Diamond Press is doing a live sneak peek of their kits, and I believe the Today Special will be in that too. So depends on when you're watching this. You might have already seen that, or if not, it's coming up on Wednesday the 6th. You can check them out. So it's the Honeybee card making kit. So Diamond Press did send this item free of charge from my review, and of course all opinions are my own. And the links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. Usually with HSN and YouTube, the link might be embedded in the video or down. There's like a little shopping bag, or very top of the description box there might be a list of items. I generally try to link everything that's available already from Diamond Press, excuse me, in those links. So how cute is this? Super easy to pop over. I know sometimes when they have new items, they're hard to find on HSN. You really gotta dig for them. So as you know, I'll always have those links there for you. Look at that. Just adorable. I love the color of this. I usually don't measure these boxes because I don't know if that means anything to you, but it's just shy of 6.5 inches by just shy of 5.5. And it has that beautiful, is that like a buttercup yellow? It's not very bright, but it's not like a maize kind of color. Look how pretty that is. Or goldenrod. And look at the little bees all over. So let's check this out. Definitely bee inspired here. Aww. Be inspired, right? Look at the honey bottles. That is so cute. And I always buy honey in bulk, and I always tell my son, I need to order some of these bottles. I think you can get them like on Amazon to decant into, because it's just so hard to get into these big old jars. So that just reminded me of that. So you have 97 die cut paper ephemera, and you can kind of see everything there. Of course, we'll take a quick look. There are quite a few pieces here. 20 3D bee stickers, 91 honey drop enamel stickers. It's very cute. Your 24 card bases and envelopes, storage box of course. 24 paper die cuts, these look like backgrounds. 12 embossed paper frames, that's lovely. Very much Diamond Press style on those. I feel like we've seen that maybe in their previous like dies. 10 rub-on sheets, oh that's cool. So I don't know if they're like goldish color, and then like the white, we'll check that out in a minute. And then you have some inspo here, and that's what it says. Okay, so let's check this out. Oh, it's getting warm already. I'm telling you, the weather is crazy. Oh my gosh, how cute. Okay, so at the very bottom, we'll have the 24 cards. Super heavyweight card base, I can tell, and I know from previous card kits, but let me show you one. Actually, we'll take one out anyway because we'll need it. Yeah, this is probably 350 GSM. It's really nice and thick. 110 pound, I guess, if you're using that sizing, and then, or weight. I guess it is sizing. Measurement, I don't know. Envelopes, the cute little curved base there. A flap, should I say. And, okay, let's go this way. That way the smaller pieces we'll look at the end. Super cute. Again, those are A2 size, so which are 4 1/4 by 5.5, and these guys are just about 4 inches by 5 1/4. So your matte layer is going to have a little bit on the edge, and it looks really cute with this one. I love that little gingham look. So blank on the back, so you don't feel bad covering anything up. Cute yellow, you know, bluish, kind of periwinkle almost. A little lavender or lilac color. Oh, these are scalloped edge. And then this beautiful green, like sage green, really lovely. And then these are like a pinking sheer type of zigzaggy edge. Sorry, I'm trying to get it separate from that one. So again, that beautiful yellow, very toned down, kind of muted color. That bluish color, your little lavender and pink gingham, really cute and sweet. Pink, a little different, not as scalloped as this one, right? But not as jagged as this guy edge, with the pink and the dots, green with the dots, that beautiful blue, and again the yellow with the little just organic dots in the background. Very, very cute. And then those frames, lovely. Let's check these guys out. So, you know, these are gonna make really nice cards, quick cards, right? We always need those. Let's see, I think that's the back side, yeah, because I mean you can use it on the deboss side, I suppose, if you wanted, but that's the embossed side. And you have 3 of each, it looks like. And then this beautiful one. Really lovely detail on that. I just have these backwards for some reason. And then this one, more of a rectangular shape, of course. And this guy is more of a traditional kind of like wooden frame. Very pretty. And then the little bees, these are so cute. And so they have like little vellumish wings with little black and gold bodies and a little black stone, like acrylic stone for their little head. Very, very cute. Oh, okay, so these are the rub-ons. How cool is that? So what they're showing here with the rub-on is just using it right on the card base, basically, right? If you're not going to do the layering here. So it makes a whole background. Or on this one, they had on the layer. Okay, so that's why some of them are just plain. Very cute. Oh my gosh. And you can definitely cut this apart, you know, if you want something up in the corner, then in this corner, maybe just some little accents of it, maybe just organically, just down the side, or, you know, wherever you want to put it, top. So you have that guy. And then, oh, transfers just smell so good. Okay, so this one has more of an outline in the yellow color. Really, really cute. Just little bits here in a larger frame. And then the white. Okay, so it might be hard to see. Sorry. But hopefully you can see. It's very similar to what we saw, but just with the white look. Right? Yeah, they're exactly the same, just in white. Very cool. And then the honey drops. How cute are they in different sizes? That is really a cute detail. Look at that. The honey color is like perfect. And then these pieces. So these are your ephemera. I don't want to hurt anything. Hold on. Let's open this up. And let's see what we got going. Lots of bees, you can see there, with their little gold foiled wings. So really cute sprigs. Smaller and larger bees, I guess I just put them to the side because there's so many bees, but there are some that are larger like this and smaller guys, right? And even smaller. Just because. Have a sweet birthday. You have like a little lemon. Life just got sweeter. Welcome, little one. That's sweet. I guess pun intended. Nice little sprig. Ooh, I like that. I feel like I put that to the side. So maybe we'll use that. Little flowers. There's a couple of each. Maybe even 3 of each. I'm not sure. I haven't been able to see that. These look like left and rights because they're going opposite directions, which we love. Maybe I'll put those there. Some lavender sprigs. And then I was like, lavender? It is lavender, right? I don't know why I second guessed myself on that one. Okay, those are the leaves for them. Some more sprigs. Cute little tulip there. Oh, the little wand. Cute little like citrus flowers. Mine have already bloomed and they already have their little green fruits coming in. Look at that. So cute, the little half lemon, a larger lemon. Happy bee day from the whole hive. I don't know why I read that so difficultly. I was kind of holding it and then I was like, oh, bee day. I was like, bee day. Yes, birthday. Very cute. Again, like these beautiful tall sprigs, and they are lefts and rights. We love that. I like kind of flanking things like that. What's the buzz? Good luck. You will be amazing. Be amazing. You know, you are sweet. I mean, how cute is that? Maybe we'll put that one to the side too. Happy birthday, honey bear. Oh, that's so sweet because it's probably going to go with that larger, with the bottles, right? Thinking of you, sweet friend. Happy birthday, honey bear. Again, so lots of everyday, but also very punny and just, you know, birthday, all that. Life is sweeter because of you. You're my honey bear. Life is sweeter because of you. Okay, we have that one. Have a sweet birthday. Actually, now that I think about it, when we get to the bears, I think maybe I won't use this. I was putting it to the side because I thought, oh, maybe something small, but it was really meant to go like in between, like between the little arms, right? So I will not use that one today, I don't think, but okay. Happy bee day. Oh, we read that one. You're the sweetest. Hope your day is filled with sweetness. Hope your birthday is sweet as honey. I mean, just super sweet. Punny. Thanks. You are so sweet. I mean, Honestly, that one really goes with what I put to the side. Let's put that to the side too. We'll see. Be happy. Thanks, you are so sweet. We have the little hives. Again, the flowers. So cute. The bottles are adorable. And then again, you have the different little pieces that you can put in the centers. How sweet of you. You have a big honey pot. And then this really cool honeycomb background. And then tons of bees. All right. So let me think what I want to do. I already have the card base out, and then we'll put a card together. So I think I'll use some of these bees, just because, but also, this is just because. I put that one to the side, I put this one to the side, because I know this one's larger, and I have all these guys that I wanted to use, so it might be that, you know, maybe a smaller sentiment is would be more appropriate for like this card, you know. Let's see, ooh. Oh my gosh, so many cute things. How do we decide which one to put in the background? I guess we can just try them out. I really like the green, and it's already blue and a lot of blue there, and I brought out a frame just in case. Also, do these things come out from the frame like this? I mean, we could do that, right? Cute. Maybe I'll cut the bottom of that off. And then I was thinking just to, you know, repeat the flower. Ooh. Or we do just because, and then we add our little bees in here too. That actually looks really cool. I like that with the bigger kind of filling in here, and then just up top. It's very matchy-matchy, but I think it looks really nice. Okay, we'll still put some bees in there. Why not? I really like the way this looks like right now, so I'm gonna gently move this. Oh my gosh. To the side here. Stick this guy down. So, I was trying to see if I'm just gonna use a wet glue or what. I just put some glue on the back of this. I'll be right back. A little wet glue on the back of that guy. The colors in this kit are just so pretty. All right, I've been trying to play a little more with color theory, if you will, when I'm making cards, you know, with, you know, complementary colors or whatever else it might be. Okay, this is gonna fall apart, so I'm sure I can redo it. I'm just kind of holding this in my hand. What I'm gonna do is put glue on the back of this. Oh, my glue has been fighting me recently. Hold on. So I'm really just gonna get on here. And this glue gives you a little bit of time to play, not too much, but enough to where if it moves and I'm not super happy with the placement, I can kind of mess with that a little bit. Just getting a little glue on the back of this. And you can definitely do this with cling wrap. Just if you like the way it is, place a little, you know, A2 size piece of cling wrap on top of it and pick it up and it'll hold it, right? Because that stuff is sticky. I did not put glue on the sentiment quite yet. Okay, I'm gonna put that like right here. There, maybe bring it down a little bit. Obviously you want to keep this within the confines of the card and just a little bit out, just so you can kind of see a little more. Cute. Okay. Okay, so that is going to be great. Oopsie. Move on back. There we go. And I'm going to get some dimensionals on the back of this. Okay, just got a few on there. I think that's really cute. Right here. Obviously, the "You Are So Sweet" is a punniness on is punny on the honey things, but I think that's just a nice thing to say anyway. And then we have these little guys. Of course, you have the ephemera bees also, but I thought it'd be fun to bring these guys out. So let's get a couple of these guys on here, and so you can kind of see what they're like. The sticker itself is like paper. Very cute. Much more delicate once you remove it from here. Let's see. Maybe a little guy there. And you can pop it on here too, right? I was just gonna put two of them, but how about one there, and another little guy in here somewhere. just kind of organic all around. All right, guys, there is our sweet card. Really nice kit. I really want to impress upon you like the quality of the papers and the items that are in here, and then of course the colors. Very cute. Thanks for watching, guys. I will have images coming up. I'll have the links as appropriate again, maybe embedded in the video down in the description box, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.